Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. To continue from the video yesterday, Bitcoin needed not a second, but a third attempt to finally break through the gray horizontal line at $97,400. On this Friday move, price pushed upwards by 0.92%, peaking at $97,900, only to get stopped halfway into the red short liquidation zone, which spans from 97.4 to 98.8. I had expected it to slice through that entire red box and reach 99,000, setting up the final leg to 100,000. But instead, Bitcoin pulled back and is now consolidating around 96.8, where it sits right now. In the medium term, I still expect 100,000 to be reached within this May. And no, I don't believe in the saying sell in May and walk away. It's more like buy in May and stay to play. Am I right? Switching to the 4-hour chart gives us a slightly more cautious picture. While I'd love to see a clean reclaim of 100K, the wave trend indicator is showing fading momentum. Money flow is weakening, and the last two 4-hour candles are marked by a red dot. This tells us that Bitcoin may be entering a temporary consolidation phase. If we go for a retest, short-term support sits around 96.5, while longer-term support and resistance is again found at 96.2, where our blue horizontal line still holds weight. On the 1-week liquidation heat map, short-side liquidity remains stacked from 97.9 to 98.8. This band was already tested today. If the market maker decides to make a move, odds still favor a liquidity grab to the upside. A quick squeeze through that red box to knock out those over-leveraged shorts. ETF inflows from May 1st just got finalized. BlackRock came in heavy with $351.4 million, bringing the total daily inflow to a stunning $422.5 million. That's massive, and it reinforces the bullish foundation beneath this consolidation. Numbers for the 2nd of May haven't been released yet, and there's been no major news on the macro side so far. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.